Alright, welcome to episode 3 of traders selling their ass online like it's OnlyFans on Instagram. Yes, I am still in Tokyo. So let's talk about today's special guest. His name is USMAN ASHRAF. During Thanksgiving week, he posted a discount code to join his signals chat at least 25 times. Now, for someone who posts 50K profits, 20K profits, and 30K profits, it kind of doesn't make sense to be posting on their story 150 times to join their signals chat, especially with a discount code. Last time I checked, that didn't make a big difference, especially because I know that he doesn't like to spend on ads, because his ad guy is a friend that I grew up with, and anytime the ad spend went over by a couple $100s, he always threw a special tantrum. Now, send this to him because I have the proof for that as well.